I look awful. It's your birthday.
Thanks to the Wexter.
You're not supposed to get me one of these.
You want what?
Gotcha, gotcha. Penningtons. And a trip to Kananaskis. That's your box, shithead. I get to go to Penningtons.
Look at you.
I get to go to Penningtons.
Is that for me? Is that for me? I'm just gonna bowl over everything here and chew everything up and.
How much is on the card, Dad?
Hey?
How much is on the card? $50, eh?
$50.
It's in there.
Thank you.
And we go to dinner tonight.
We overspent at Christmas there, so.
That's what I said. I was like, Mom, I don't know what to get you. I bought you everything for Christmas.
That's good because I need that to go to work. Thank you.
I was thinking of.
So little does Mom know, even though she thinks that all she got. She thinks all she got was her gift card. When actually, spoiled little brat. She got an iPad. It's right here. So, we're gonna take it to dinner tonight and surprise her with it. We're not gonna give it to her yet, because she's a brat. So while I clean the kitchen, I have Mom and Dad all set up with my system.
This doesn't do the yellow thing.
Yes it does, you're not up all the way on yellow. Hit it up, all the way to the top. There you go.
Lost my fingers.